$10,000 a month. That's $333 every single day. Imagine waking up, making your morning coffee, and realizing that while you slept, your bank account grew by hundreds of dollars, all from the comfort of your home. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing, this isn't some fantasy or lottery win. Real people just like you are earning $10,000 or more every single month from home. They are not working crazy hours or juggling 5 jobs. They have tapped into online income streams that work for them, not the other way around. In this video, I am going to show you how they do it. You will discover proven strategies that anyone can start today, and I will even share the one method that transformed my mindset about earning online forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's break this down. $10,000 a month might sound like a huge number, but when you divide it, it's just $333 a day or about $14 an hour. That's less than what most freelancers charge for their work. The question isn't if it's possible, the question is how. The internet has opened up endless opportunities, from running your own online store to teaching skills to an audience. But here's the catch. Most people fail because they either choose the wrong method or they give up too soon. The good news, I am about to show you 3 income streams that are not only proven but scalable, meaning the more effort you put in, the bigger your paycheck gets. Oh, and stick around because I will reveal the one mistake that keeps most people stuck, no matter how hard they work. Okay, so first thing is freelancing. Now, I know what you are thinking. Freelancing? Isn't that just trading time for money? And while that's partly true, here's the twist. Not all freelancing is created equal. If you are offering basic services like data entry or simple graphic design, you will probably make a decent side income. But if you want to hit $10,000 a month, you need to offer high income skills. I am talking about copywriting, web development, video editing, or even social media management for business. Here's where it gets interesting. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are full of clients willing to pay top dollar for these skills. And guess what? You don't need to be an expert to start. There are free courses online that can teach you these skills in just few weeks. Imagine landing just 5 clients who each pay you $2,000 a month. That's $10,000 right there. The best part, many of these clients are long term, meaning you are building a steady income stream. Alright, freelancing is great, but let's talk about the holy grail, passive income. This is money that keeps flowing in, even when you are not actively working. Sounds magical, right? Here's how you can create it. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Share valuable content and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Did you know some YouTubers make $50,000 or more per month just from ad revenue? Okay, the second thing is creating digital products. Things like online courses, ebooks, or templates. Imagine spending 1 month creating an online course and then selling it over and over again without any extra effort. The third thing is investing in real estate, crowdfunding, or stocks. This one takes an upfront investment, but platforms like Fundrise or Robinhood let you earn dividends or rental income without owning physical property. But here's the catch. Passive income isn't truly passive in the beginning. It takes time and effort to set up. But once it's running, the rewards are limitless. And later I will share how one blogger turned their side hustle into a 6-figure income stream. Okay? So be with me. Now let's talk about the big one, building an online business. This is where the real money is. Whether it's an e-commerce store, a coaching business, or even a subscription service, online business have the potential to scale to 6 figures and beyond. Take dropshipping for example. You set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to them. You don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Or consider coaching. Are you good at something? Fitness, cooking, business strategies? People are willing to pay for expertise. Platforms like Kajabi or Teachable make it easy to set up your online business. Here's the secret to success. Find a problem and solve it. Whether it's creating a product, offering a service, or teaching a skill, the more value you provide, the more money you will make. Alright, I promised to reveal the number one mistake that keeps people from earning $10,000 a month. And here it is. They try to do everything at once. Instead of focusing on one method and mastering it, they jump from freelancing to dropshipping to blogging, hoping one will magically work. The truth, you need to pick one path, commit to it, and see it through. Success comes from consistency, not luck. So ask yourself, which strategy excites you the most? Freelancing, passive income, building an online business? Choose one and start taking action today. Earning $10,000 a month from home isn't reserved for the lucky or the genius. It's for people like you, people willing to learn, put in the effort, and stay consistent. The opportunities are endless. But the first step is up to you. Will you spend another month dreaming about financial freedom, or will you take action? Hit that subscribe button for more strategies and tips, and let me know in the comments which method you are excited to try first. Remember, the journey to $10,000 starts with a single step, and that step could be today. See you soon. Bye.